It's the gift-giving season, and WestPoint Home wants to say thank you for doing business with them by celebrating Black Friday with 50% off everything in the store and 60% off all clearance items. Friday, November 24th through Sunday, November 26th. That's right, 50% off everything in the store to kickstart your holiday shopping for family and friends, or maybe just for yourself. Ho, ho, ho! Bed, bath, and apparel, all 50% off. Luxurious and absorbent towels, silky sheets, fluffy pillows, and accessories for your home, condo, or vacation getaway. Start your holiday gift shopping with this huge sale and give your home a holiday makeover without breaking the bank. It's the WestPoint Home Bed & Bath Factory Outlet Black Friday sale with 50% off everything in the store and 60% off all clearance items. Friday, November 24th through Sunday, November 26th. Main Street in downtown Chipley, Florida, just a mile north of I-10 at exit 120, and let the holiday fun and WestPoint savings begin.